How to wrap tags in Google Sheets. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So let's start the video, guys. And at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay, so here we are. So let me write something here. Okay, so now I can see I have right into the cell, and this is normal text. It is not wrapped yet. So if in order to wrap this text, we need to select this tags or row like this, or you can simply select. If you have multiple text, then you need to select the all multiple text. Okay, like this, just select and drag and select the all text or cell. And if you want to select all sheet, then here you need to click the all sheet. The all sheet will be selected like this. Now go to the format. Here you can see the option called wrapping, and here you can see the three option overflow. Means this text will be go beyond this cell. Okay, and wrap means the text will be wrapped into the cell only. Clip means it will be look like clips. So let me show you in the wrap. You can see the all text has been wrapped like this. So the all text is wrapped into the cell. So that is how you can wrap text in the Google Sheet. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.